Yes, I think I have covered most of these items here. Copy. I've done this. I've done this. I have done this. I've done this. And then we are here. So before we move into the use cases, I want to share some of the benefits you actually have from joining our community. Then we'll ask questions and then we'll move to the use cases. So basically, currently Notion actually has, like I said, the free plan, and it also has like free plan for the AI. But then AI responses you get for free would be 20, only 20 responses for free. So you can get 20 responses for free. ChatGPT gives you unlimited responses, but then they prioritize people that pay for their service, which is like $20. But Notion actually gives you 20 responses for free, and then monthly fees for you to get unlimited responses from Notion AI. Use Notion AI without restriction is $10 per month, which is like in Naira, because I'm from Nigeria, so in Naira it's like 7,500 Naira monthly, and you can get access to 30 days, right? So you see, Notion is very, very powerful. It's more powerful than ChatGPT. I would say this like anywhere, because I've used it and I use it every day. And you, of course, you can see what it can do. In ChatGPT, you need to copy the response to somewhere else, and you can't actually ask it to sound friendly. Like let's say I asked AI to make this text. I change the tone to sound professional. It will just give me a professional response. I can make it longer if I want. To add more details to this my content, but ChatGPT doesn't do this for you. It doesn't do this for you. So Notion AI is basically the best. So if you join the entry plan community, or you choose to become a part of our community, a member of our community, you'd actually have like we have very, very affordable rates. So what we do is we add you to our community, and as a member, and you have access to unlimited AI weekly, monthly, depending on how you want to use it. So we have first plan we have is like the newbie for newbies and students plan. It's basically for students in universities, secondary schools, and then for newbies that are going to tech or maybe a particular role. So they only need to pay 1,000 Naira a month to access to join our community workspace on Notion. They access unlimited Notion AI responses for 30 days. And then they also get like monthly AI prompt support services on request. So if they need help with how to ask, with questions to ask the Notion AI, we can actually help them with support services. Then it's only for students and newbies in tech or not tech roles. And then of course we have limited slots, which is like 100 slots available. We'll be accepting applications soon. It's not yet open, but then we'll notify everyone who has actually joined or registered to join this session. We'll notify them when we are accepting applications. So the second plan is basically the community plan, which is 1,000 Naira per week, which is like $1.5 per week. You joined the our Notion workspace, entry plan Notion workspace. You have access to unlimited AI responses for 5 days. And of course, we also have like limited slots. There is already a payment link here that you can pay, and we'll add you immediately to our workspace. So all we'll do is just to come to our settings. We'll come to settings, and then come to settings, and we'll add you as a member here. We'll add members. We'll just invite you via email once we see your payment. So you have access to it for 5 days, unlimited. You're not restricted to anything, and you can have your document, whatever you're saving, or whatever you're searching, or you're asking Notion AI here in your private workspace. No one has access to it. It's just you. So the second plan on entry plan community is 4,000 Naira per month, which is like $6 per month. And what this does is that it gives you access to unlimited AI responses from on Notion for 30 days, unlimited, and you can save everything here. You don't lose anything. You save whether or not you resubscribe or subscribe. So you have weekly AI prompt support services. If you need us to help you with ideas on how to ask Notion AI, the best questions to ask Notion AI will actually help you with those support services. Then, of course, we have limited slots available and we are accepting payments here. So there's a payment link here already. And then, like I said, Notion will charge you 7,500 naira monthly for you to get unlimited access for 30 days, which is like $10. Ours is, if you compare it with our monthly rate, is like we give like 60% discount. And then, of course, you can actually just pay for a week, 5 days. You don't want to use it for a month. You just want 5 days access to unlimited. We've made it very easy. You can actually only pay about $1.5 or 1,000 naira for you to access it for a week. But Notion doesn't give you this weekly plan, but we can give you this weekly plan. So that's on the benefits of joining our community. I think we can actually go straight into the questions and answers. So if you have like questions to ask, because the last thing we'll do is this case study. The case study is what you would work with me on, and then you see the results. We'll do lots of case studies here, and then after that we'll end the session.